Detaching audio from video on Final Cut Pro is actually very simple, and in this video I'll show you exactly how to do that. If you do find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe. Now the first thing I'd like you to do is load up the project that you want to detach the audio from. And once you load it up and you look at the clip in your project, you realize there's a video layer above an audio layer on your clip. So every clip has a video layer at the top and there's an audio layer below it, which is in a waveform. Now what you're going to do is you're going to select on the clip and you're going to right click on the clip. And once you right click, you're going to see where it says detach audio. You're going to click on it and you can see the attached audio layer on your video has been detached from the video, and this is a video alone and this is the audio alone. Now that's how to detach audio from video on Final Cut Pro. If you do find this video helpful, please do not forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.